has some Ryobi killer deals. These are basically cheap way to get batteries, cheaper drills. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTube versatile platform. My subscribers and likes. Yeah, guys. So I was actually shopping at Home Depot and I saw this deal, and it's almost nobody's covered it. So I just went ahead and did a video for it, so you guys would understand these deals. All right. So I'll leave you guys the link down below to in the description section of this video for all these deals. So you got the one plus 18-volt lithium cordless quarter-inch impact driver kit. This is it right here. So this is the impact driver kit. You got $99. You select a free tool. So you can select the performance lithium 4 amp hour battery, which is the better batteries by the way. Or you can select the 2 amp hour compact battery, which are the newer batteries, but they're not the best ones. The best ones are HPs. Either or, the same thing. So you can select this one's the better battery is this one. You have both to cart. All right, so you go to the cart here if it loads up. All right, so you're gonna get the battery for $54, and you're gonna get this impact driver for $44.96. That's a really good deal on these. This is the kit. It does come with 2 batteries, so that's a killer deal for all these. Just killer deal. Just really cheap way to get batteries. These compact impact drivers, they do come with 2 batteries. So I mean, they're 1.5s. They're the older ones, but still, that's a really good deal. All right, so we got that one. The next one down is the drill. This one's actually going to be the cheapest to get this thing. This thing comes down to $31. Isn't that crazy? Oh, and by the way, be on the lookout. I will be doing a tool review on this one, so that should be uploaded soon. All right, so on this one, like I said, it goes down to $31. Isn't that crazy for 2 batteries, charger, a bag, and a drill? All right, so that's this is a non-brushless. All these tools are non-brushless, so they're not brushless, by the way. They're brushed. All right, so this one's a lithium-ion cordless 2-tool Comica drill driver circular saw 1.5 amp hour batteries. This is for $99. This is a really good deal. They actually have one with the reciprocating saw. I'll link it down below in the description section of this video if I find it. But they have something like this plus a reciprocating saw for like $129 or $139. I forgot how much. But still, these are all great deals, especially for gifts, for these batteries. Stock up on these batteries if you're already in this line. If you're a professional, you got your pro level tools in your truck, and you just want something for the house. That way you're not forgetting stuff on your way to work. It's a great set for the house. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.